friends, welcome to programming languages for civil engineering students. In this video I will discuss what are the best programming languages for civil engineering students. Okay, let us begin. Okay, then importance of programming languages in civil engineering. Okay, what is importance? The foremost importance is its complexity. Okay, complexity of problems. If we have more complex problems, generally we feel somewhat difficulty, or some people will feel laziness and some people will feel interest. So both laziness, we can see here, laziness and interest is the stepping stone to learn programming languages. Okay, this is the importance. The importance is laziness and interest is the stepping stone to learn programming languages, because by using programming languages definitely we'll get more and more interested day by day. Then after, our laziness will also vanish, because this laziness is nothing but if you want to solve very complex problem, then definitely will get some laziness. Okay, so when you use the programming languages, then these kind of to solve the complex problems, laziness will be vanished. Okay, so this is the importance of this importance of programming languages in civil engineering, especially civil engineering I'm talking. Okay, and the first programming languages, if you want to learn, if you want to start any programming languages to learn, especially to solve our civil engineering problems, first programming language is Fortran, and second programming language is Visual Basic 6.0. this is a classic version, or you can go for visualbasics.net. and third programming language is MATLAB, and Scilab, and fourth, fifth, sixth Scilab, GNU Octave, and FreeMat. All these are clones to this MATLAB. All these three are clones to MATLAB clones. And last, we can go for Python. Okay, to solve complex numerical problems. Okay, and let me explain the first language, that is Fortran. Okay, Fortran, this is Fortran, derived from formula translation, is a general purpose, compiled imperative programming language that is especially suited to numerical computation and scientific computation. So this Fortran is nothing but formula translation, and it is compiled imperative programming language, and it is especially used for numerical computation and scientific computation. This Fortran is the first high level programming language. Even NASA scientists, they used at those times when they want to launch the rocket or any satellites into the space. Okay, and many earthquake engineering, especially civil earthquake engineering students, also they use this Fortran programming language, and they also use this Fortran programming language to solve the computational hydrological problems. Okay, and you can see here, this is the simple program, how to print a word. Program HW1, write star comma star, and you can close the brackets and single quotation hello world, and close the single quotation, and program HW1. This is the syntax, program HW1, and you can, in between this, you have to write any your code. Okay, this is the simple. Okay, this coming to this Fortran, you have to begin any programming language with this 4 term, especially for civil engineering students. Okay, and coming to second programming language is Visual Basic 6 and Visual Basics.NET. Okay, this Visual Basics was derived from basic. This is a basic language and enables the rapid application development and graphical user interface applications, access to database using data access objects, remote data objects or active data objects, and creation of ActiveX controls and objects. We can see this is the logo of Microsoft Visual Basic 6.0. Okay, and what is the main thing in this Visual Basic 6 on Visual Basics.NET is we can create a GUI application, that is we can create graphical user interface applications very easily without much knowledge in programming. Okay, we can create automatically. We will get lot of toolboxes, tools. From the toolboxes or tools we can create many rapid graphical user interface applications. Okay, especially this is the very important thing in programming languages is GUI, graphical user interface. Okay, you can start this Visual Basic 6 also to learn programming languages for civil engineering students. Okay, and coming to third is MATLAB. Okay, this MATLAB is a multi-paradigm numerical computing environment and proprietary programming language developed by MathWorks, and MATLAB allows matrix manipulations and plotting of functions and data, implementation of algorithms, creation of user interface, and interfacing with problems written in other languages. Okay, and this if you want to solve especially finite element analysis, okay, finite element analysis, you can choose this MATLAB programming language. Okay, MATLAB programming language, it is a proprietary language developed by MathWorks company. Okay, and you can solve matrix manipulations, and we can plot the graphs very easily, and you can create graphical user interfaces also, and you can create animations, and you can do many things by using this MATLAB. Okay, MATLAB is Matrix Laboratory. The full form of MATLAB is Matrix Laboratory. You can go for this language to solve more complex problems, especially earthquake engineering and finite element analysis. Okay, this is the sample code how to print the hello world. Okay, you can see here f printf. In C language we have only printf, but it is somewhat different. F printf is the syntax to print a name or some string. Okay, then coming to but this is a proprietary language, we have to purchase. So then best alternative programming languages for MATLAB is Scilab. Okay, Scilab is scientific laboratory. The full form of Scilab is scientific laboratory. Okay, it is a free and open source cross platform numerical computational package and a high level numerical oriented programming language. Okay, this is also similar like MATLAB. It is a free open source software. We can solve many numerical problems which is very complex in nature, and you can create GUIs just like in MATLAB or in Visual Basic 6. This is the free open source software. Okay, same we can use complex finite element analysis problems, and also we can solve complex earthquake engineering problems. And the coming to fifth programming language is GNU Octave. This GNU Octave is also a highly high level programming language is primarily intended for numerical computations. Octave helps in solving linear and non-linear numericals and for performing other numerical experiments using a language that is mostly compatible with MATLAB. Okay, this GNU Octave is mostly 90% compatible with MATLAB, so we can solve all the problems which will be solved in MATLAB. Whatever we will solve in MATLAB, we can solve all those problems in GNU Octave. But this is also a open source software. Okay, you can download without any money. Okay, and in this also you can solve all our civil engineering complex problems, especially finite element analysis and earthquake engineering. And coming to sixth programming language is FreeMat. This FreeMat is also open source software which is highly useful for numerical computing environment and programming languages similar to MATLAB and GNU Octave. All these FreeMat and GNU Octave and Scilab, all these are clones, MATLAB clones. Okay, all these clones are open source. You can download without any cost, and installation of these MATLAB clones is also very easy as compared to MATLAB. Okay, then coming to last programming language, that is Python. Okay, Python is an interpreted high level general purpose programming language created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Okay, Python's design philosophy emphasizes code readability with its notable use of significant white space. Okay, this is also interpreted high level general programming language. Okay, some of the applications of this Python is web and internet development and desktop GUI applications and science and numerical computations and software development and education, database access and network programming, games and 3D graphics. Okay, but for civil engineering we want only to solve the scientific and numerical problems and 3D graphics and some what you call GUI applications. We can use these Python programming languages to solve the finite element problems, finite element analysis problems, earthquake engineering problems, and the computational hydrology problems, and SM, FM. You can solve any number of problems, complex and repetitive nature, by using this Python. Okay, these are a brief introduction about all the important programming languages for civil engineering students. Okay, you can see here, if you want to learn programming languages, only one criteria is interest and lazy to solve complex civil engineering problems. This is the only one criteria, is interest and lazy. Okay, interest and lazy to solve the complex engineering problems. Okay, then we require little bit of patience and little bit of some creative power, something like that. Then we can learn these programming languages very easily. Okay, thank you. If you have any queries, please email to kumarvinodkrishna@gmail.com or vinodkumar@gpsec.ac.in. Definitely I will answer. And if you want to know more about this programming language, how to download and how to install, you can watch my YouTube videos, or you can watch others YouTube videos which are available in YouTube. Okay, anyway, thank you for watching this video. Thank you.